Hello and welcome to Friday Flowers. Today we're going to do a funny little flower called Riggle. So the first thing that I'm going to do real quick is make my frame. There are actually two things that you can do with Riggle. So I'm going to show you the pattern by itself first. So I'm going to make two parallel lines and then I'm going to loop over, but I'm going to curve them a bit, and that's why I'm moving my tile. So like that. Alrighty, I'm going to color these in. And the next thing that we do is we're going to aura this. So it kind of reminds me of Rixty. Put an orb there. Color that in. And then two smaller orbs on each side. And then we just flick, flick, and flick. Okay? So that is basically how you do Riggle. But another thing that you can do with Riggle is this. So it started off exactly the same way. And now this is where it gets a little bit different. Instead of putting an orb on top, we're going to put more stem on top. And then we aura that just like we did over here. Now I'm going to add two little orbs right here. And then I'm going to do the larger one. And the smaller ones that go right there. Now, in the step outs that I saw, they put little swirls as stems. And I think that kind of adds to like the whimsical look of the Riggle. I feel like it makes it look like flowers that are just kind of dancing in the wind. And let's do a little bit of shading with this. So it's kind of small, so there's not really a lot of shading that you can really do. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of graphite here on the ends and smooth that out. And for a little extra dimension, I'm going to do the bottom part of the stem. Now I'm going to ink in my frame. I decided to add a few little sparkles around here, like this. And that is Riggle.